Join me as I dive into the world of Ethereum and challenge myself to create my very first smart contract from scratch. Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables the creation of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into lines of code. These smart contracts are a crucial part of the blockchain ecosystem, allowing for the automation of various processes and enabling trustless transactions. Many beginners struggle when trying to create their first smart contract, often feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of the technology. The lack of resources and unclear documentation can make it difficult to get started. I've been there too, and that's why I'm excited to share my journey with you. One of the biggest hurdles is understanding the programming languages used to create smart contracts, such as Solidity. Additionally, deploying the contract on the Ethereum network can be intimidating, especially for those new to blockchain technology. The fear of making mistakes or getting stuck can be discouraging, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create your first Ethereum smart contract. To create a simple Ethereum smart contract, we'll start by writing the contract code in Solidity. This involves defining the contract's functionality, variables, and functions. Once we have our code, we'll compile it and prepare it for deployment on the Ethereum network. This is where things can get a bit tricky, but I'll walk you through each step. We'll use a tool like Remix to deploy our contract, which makes the process relatively straightforward. As we deploy our contract, I'll explain the key concepts and what to expect. The moment of truth arrives when our contract is successfully deployed on the Ethereum network. This is an exciting milestone, and I'm eager to share it with you. As we take a closer look at our deployed contract, we can see that it's live and ready to be interacted with. This is just the beginning, and I'm excited to see what possibilities this opens up. In conclusion, creating your first Ethereum smart contract is more accessible than you might think. With the right guidance and resources, you can get started with building your own contracts and exploring the world of blockchain development. If you have any questions or want to learn more, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Check out my next video, where we'll dive into advanced smart contract features.